No, we did not find them, and Anadea went to ask for money because she can't hold it in anymore. And now I'm here with my stalker. She's dancing. What are you dancing?
At the angel.
You're dancing at the angel?
Yes.
What? I don't even dance.
Hello, at the angel.
I don't do choreographies.
Guys, I stuck at the angel.
See, all the time. That's what she always tells us. That she's a stalker. And she's proud of it. I don't know why she's proud. Maybe because she's also my
angel?
#1 fan. Oh, that's...
Mangita
Daot.
tingin lang gid na ko mamadaan.
You have money?
Wala, di ba dili naman to kanang money.
Kailangan,
Ay di ay. Sa buti
Di
sabi.
man. Wala man. Ay, kailangan di ay.
Need, uy. No, there's nothing free here. I mean, the parking space or parking area is free, but when you use their CR or something, they actually charge you 5 pesos. Or was it 10? I don't know, but when I went there, I paid for 5 pesos. Or was it 10? I forgot.
Kami wala man may bayad. At ulat na mo si Ate Beko si Lola. Ba't kaya ito?
Oh. How lucky.
Uy, ganyan pot ko.
This girl. Naka, pangayo dito kay basising ko rin. Pangay isang ngati. Yeah. I should have worn something underneath because I was expecting today to be a very like super cold day, and now I'm sweating bullets. Huh? 5 oy. It's 5 pesos in there. Don't worry because we'll film the exact price. Here, oh. Rambutan.
No,
Nawa, good luck. Hindi ka kasulod.
Good luck ha, good luck.
ayaw kong patagal.
Good luck sa inyo. Baka ako'y money. So, magdagandagan pag
Sila mo to do sa money ay.
Okay. Ah, dapat nga siya sa sulod.
Oh.
Hindi pa sa sulod. Nanay ba yun? There's nothing free in this world. Ooh, puppy. There's a lot of course the puppies. They're there, I think.
Wow.
Wait, I'll show you guys. It's a white or something cream colored puppy. There.
Uy,
Oh, it's so cute. It's scared. But yeah. And here we are, guys. Oh my God,
sorry.
Daya! 4 times. Don't touch me. Go away. Stay far away from me. Stay far away.
I'm sorry.
You know, it's not like I hate her, but I hate the way she walks. Because look at my feet now. So dirty. Here we are. Oh, this bus.
Of course dito money ra to.
Not really. Remind you, this isn't free. Oh! You can't really fit. Okay, go. So here we are. A bus. Bound to Dipolog and Cagayan. I think this one here is for Cagayan.
Hoy, Mandi!
Now,
Hoy, Mandi!
inside.
Hindi sa hindi.
Come on. Look at that. See that? 5 pesos.
Di ba 5 pesos dito mo? Ako sa una floor be.
Doon na lang mo. Eh, dala na lang ko na yan.
Dai, okay.
Dili mo ka manghihi na kuan. Pag sulod mo dungan ba?
Dai ba?
Ako dungan gusto mo.
saan ka na uy?
Yang, ikuan yang. Isa sa mong bulsa. This girl. Nakaka, sabit na mo. Bye.